In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at 3 ways that you can make a lot of money with WordPress. So let's start off with the first one, which is freelancing. Now, freelancing is a great opportunity because there's a lot of businesses out there that need websites, and a lot of agencies, they mainly focus on the bigger clients. So if you can zone in and work on the upcoming new businesses that are opening up, you can really make a lot of money. So what is required with that is for you to sign up with a page builder that you like. So there's quite a few out there. There's Divi, Elementor, Bricks Builder. And Bricks and Elementor, they offer a lifetime license, which means if you purchase it once, you then get to design as many websites as you want. Now, I have a link in the video description below, so you can sign up for Divi, and I can also give you a course that will teach you how to get up and running super fast with Divi if you do choose to work with Divi as your page builder. All right, so as I mentioned, working with small businesses, this is huge. We're talking about dentists, we're talking about fitness centers or fitness trainers. I mean, pretty much any business you can think of, and you can become creative at it and create those websites, you can make a lot of money. Now, you can take this a step further and make recurring income. So this is really important because a lot of these companies, chances are they don't even want to waste time managing the website, making sure everything is up and so on. They want to focus on the actual business. So you can, add in a maintenance package there. Maybe you can charge $20, $30, $40 per month. So you can do all the updates, all the SEO and so on. So that will be, income that will be coming on a monthly basis. All right, so let's move on to the next one, which is selling digital products. Now, this one is huge because all it requires is for you to create a template, a child theme, or anything that you can sell digitally. Now, the advantages of this is you only need to create it once. Once you've created it, that's it. All you have to do now is to just sell. You can make thousands and thousands of dollars this way. So with WordPress, there are opportunities where you can actually create, say, plugins. You can create templates, as I mentioned. You can create child themes. I mean, you can create pretty much a lot of things. Take a look at the Divi's marketplace and see how much money some of these developers are making. They're making a lot of money. Now, I also sell some digital products, and they've done quite well, over 100,000 in sales, which is very, very good. So just to give you an idea, if you take a look at, say, Divi, they have close to 1 million users. Now, with those 1 million users, if you can create a product that you sell for $10, and you only get maybe 2% of the 1 million people that use Divi, that's a lot of money. So this is something that you may want to consider. Now, I'm not saying Divi is the only way you can create digital products. Absolutely not. Elementor has their way of packaging a whole design and then reselling it. Again, this is massive. You can sell it on your own website, you can sell it on marketplaces, and so on. Now, let's move on to the third part, which is affiliate marketing. So you can choose to become a content creator. I know this one here is a bit more difficult because you have to learn how to edit videos, create videos, have a YouTube channel and so on, and pretty much become an influencer. So with this, you need to focus on a niche. So let's say, for example, in this case, this is WordPress, but within WordPress, I mainly do videos around Divi, but very soon I'll also be expanding, going into Bricks Builder and also other builders. So that way now, what happens is sometimes companies reach out to you to do review videos for them, or they reach out to you for a sponsored spot on your videos. So these are ways that you can make money using WordPress. You just have to master how it works and then just create as much content as you can, and this is how you're going to start earning some income. So that's one way, sponsorships or creating videos for businesses. The second way that you can make money, you can also make money through affiliates. So you could promote a product, and in return you get a commission. Sometimes it's 20%, 30%, but if you negotiate well, you can also get as high as 50%. So as you can see, that's another source of income within being a content creator around WordPress. The third way that you can make money is YouTube itself will pay you the more you create videos that are popular. I wouldn't necessarily rely on this amount of money, to be honest, because I mean, the algorithm changes and things can go up and down. Like recently, my channel hasn't been growing. Partly maybe it's because I haven't innovated, to be honest, because the way I've been creating my videos has pretty much been the same. But if I want to try and make them even crazy, creative and all of that, that requires a lot of time, which means I might need a small team around me to create more videos. So it becomes a fully fledged business. But with these other options that I've just given you, they're good enough for you to make money. Now, with me now, I've combined selling digital products and also the affiliate marketing side of it, and also earning money from YouTube. So as you can see, this could be something you can earn a living doing. So it's not something that you can just rely on one thing and that's it. But in all these things that I've mentioned, freelancing, selling digital products, becoming an affiliate or content creator, all these things requires you to do a lot of content marketing and making sure that you are online so people know who you are, because people at the end of the day, they buy from people. So people need to know, trust, and what's the third one? I forgot. But anyway, you know what I mean. If you put yourself out there, people know who they're communicating with, and it makes it easier for them to make, a purchase, because if they trust you, it makes it easier to do that. So I have some links to help you with perhaps maybe getting started with Divi. I have a link in that in the video description below. I also have a link to my other channel where I'll be talking about making money online. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. How do you think you can make money with WordPress besides the stuff that I've already discussed? Anyway, guys, see you soon. Take care.